Ready? Welcome back to 10th class English. The name of the story is A Tiger in the House. Look at your book, paragraph. The camp itself was stupendous, very elaborate. The hunting party tented a camp in the forest, and the camp was stupendous, very attractive and elaborate. They had everything, but 7 large tents, one for each shikari, for each hunter there was a tent. A dining tent where people will eat, have their meal, and a number of servants tent. There were servants or waiters. For them also there were tents. The diner was very good, but dinner, sorry, I told diner. The dinner was very good. Could understand? Got it? Dinner was very good, as a grandfather admitted afterwards. After the meal was over, grandfather admitted that the dinner was very good. What was very good? Dinner was very good. Who said it? Who admitted it? Grandfather. After having the meal. Could understand? It was not often that one saw hot water plates. In the forest, generally we can't find different eating amenities. Could understand, as we find in our home. Still, it was not often that one saw hot water plate. It's a kind of plate, buffet. Where there is a buffet, we take a meal from the plate. But here is a special plate. The name of the special plate is a hot water plate. This plate contains hot water. When we put food on it, it will keep the food item warm. The food item will not felt cold. So, hot water plates, finger glasses. Those party members had finger glasses. It's a kind of a bowl or a plate where water is kept, where fingers are cleansed or washed before eating. So, finger glasses and 7 or 8 courses. So, what is 7 or 8 courses? The meal contained 7 to 8 items: salad, soup, appetizer, dessert, main meal, so many things. In a feast, marriage feast, we generally have 12 to 14 courses. Here, 7 courses means 7 to 8 items. Could understand? So, 8 courses in a tent in the jungle. Could understand? Next, but that was how things were done in the days of the Viceroy. I have told you, when kings were there, when kings ruled as in old days, very, very old days. Kings ruled as. Then when the Britishers came and ruled as, the viceroys and the British officers went on hunting party. Could understand? So there were also some 15 elephants. There were servants, there were hunters, there was a guide, there were important persons, and also There were also some 15 elephants, 4 of them with the howdas. There were 15 elephants. How many elephants?
15 elephants.
Out of them, 4 have howdas, means 4 have seat on his back for the rider. Could you understand? Howdas means seat or a pillion or a cushion or a saddle, whatever you say. You remember when a horse rider rides a horse, he sits on a seat and that seat on the back of the horse. Similarly, for the rider of the elephant, there is a seat which is put on the back of the elephant. So 4 elephants have howdas, head howdas for this shikaris or hunters, and the others especially trained for taking part in the beat. The other elephants are trained how to. The other elephants are well trained how to take part in the hunting party. Okay. This is the beginning of the story. Okay. We will have question answer in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.